Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Alright everyone, on today's video I'll be sharing with you my first pregnancy update. By the way guys, I am 27 weeks pregnant now. The end of this video I'll be put a short clips how my belly look like now. It's getting big. I'm so excited. Now that I'm 27 weeks, it's like what do you call it, I'm starting to wearing a maternity dress, like especially like maternity jeans, especially when I'm working. I have to wear maternity jeans because it's not comfy when you're working, moving around, you're squeezing your belly, and I have to wear the right size as well. Before I wear like a maternity jeans size extra small. Now I'm changed to small because extra small is too tight already because my belly is getting big, and it's like squeezing my belly, and I don't like that. It's not comfy at all, especially when I'm working. So now my size is moved to small for maternity jeans. So when I'm working, I do prepare to wear like maternity clothes again. I like comfy when I'm moving around and like working. So when I at home, I don't care. I just wear like loose shirts and loose pajamas. It's fine. But when it comes to like I do have to work, I have to wear maternity clothes, especially on the bottom, maternity jeans, because it feels me comfy when I'm working. And let's move on to symptoms. What symptoms I do feel right now that I am 27 weeks pregnant. Since I got pregnant, my lower back is hurt, crampy all the time. So now I'm 27 weeks. I'm still having a lower back pain, like cramp, especially when I'm working for 8 hours. I can feel my lower back is hurt, like especially when I got home. My lower back is hurt, but that's normal when you're pregnant. And also sometimes I feel like heartburn when after I eat. I feel like my food stuck on my throat. So I feel heartburn sometimes, not all the time. And what else? And I get tired easily especially when I'm working, like when I close to my days off. Like I do work 5 days straight. After my like 5 days working, I am so tired. And then when in the next morning my days off, I'm just like tired. I don't want to do nothing. I just lying down. I'm sleepy all the time when I do not have work. That's my, what do you call that, rest day, 2 days rest day. That's it. And then after that I have to go back to work and work to save money for the baby coming soon. I can't believe it's almost like I think I'm 6 months already, so I'm close to like you know, baby coming out, and I only have 3 months left. And by the way guys, my due date is July 5th. So I don't know, maybe it might be come out, it might be she come out early or a little bit later, but I don't know. But so yeah. And she's moving a lot now. I like that she's moving a lot now. She's kicking me all the time, even I'm lying down or I'm doing something, I'm working. She kicked me all the time, and I love that. I love that feel that she kicked me all the time. I can feel her on my, she kicked me like all the time on my right side of my belly. And Yesterday I have a doctor's appointment, like a ultrasound appointment for the baby, and hopefully she stayed there till my due date. She's the head is down because I do prefer with a normal delivery, not C-section. I love to have a normal delivery just for me. I like that. And yeah, alright everyone, here's the little short videos that I took this morning when I get up and film how my belly looks like now. It's getting bigger because I noticed that when I like grab something on the floor, I can feel my belly already squeezing for 27 weeks. It's like really showing up now. So here's the little short videos for my belly update. Hope you like it and enjoy it. There you go. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!